Now it's time to join the two star parts together. First, ensure the front sides of the parts faced outwards, with the tails at the bottom. Treat each row as a stitch, inserting the hook into both the front and the back stitches. So we are inserting our hook through both loops, yarn over, and pull the yarn through these two stitches to the front side. Yarn over again and pull through the two loops on your hook. This essentially forms a single crochet stitch using both parts at once. Continue making single crochet stitches with both parts until you reach the top of the star. This is my third single crochet stitches by using both sides. This will be fourth single crochet, 5 and 6. At the top, make 3 single crochets in one loop. So this will be 1, 2 and third single crochet. Then proceed to stitch the parts together with single crochet. So you will have 6 single crochets more till you get to the next tray. Now you're ready to stitch the next tray by using the same stitching method as we used for the first tray. So we are doing 6 single crochets to stitch these parts together. Then we will do 3 single crochets in one loop on the top, and then we will finish with 6 more single crochets. And don't forget to stuff your star with fiber frill. This is our front and this is our back side. So happy crocheting!